Hey guys, it's Albert from Betheme Group. In this tutorial, I would like to show you the improvements we've released for Navigator in BeBuilder in version 28.1.5. Thanks to these improvements introduced to the Navigator, managing sections, wraps, and elements will be even more enjoyable and faster. Okay, so let's not waste the time on this introduction and let's jump to my screen. Before I dive into the new options that have been added to the Navigator, let me first remind you where the Navigator is located and how to activate it. To enable the Navigator for BeBuilder, click on the icon located on the top bar of the BeBuilder. By clicking it, you can toggle the Navigator on or off whenever you want. You can do this with the shortcut Ctrl or Command+I as well. Furthermore, by dragging the Navigator bar, you can detach it from the right side and place it in float mode wherever you prefer. However, I will stick with keeping it on right side as that's where I find it most convenient for my work. Now, the new options I want to discuss for Navigator appear when you right-click within a section wrapper or element. As you can see, after right-clicking, new options will appear at the top. Bring before. This option allows you to move an element, wrap, or section up by one level. Decrease. This option, just like the one appearing on Elements bar, allows you to decrease the size of an element and wrap. Increase. Similarly to decrease, this option lets you increase the size of an element and wrap. Clone. This option allows you to quickly clone a section, wrap, or element directly from the Navigator. And the last one, bring after. This option, just like the first one, allows you to move a section, wrap, or element down by one level. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you liked this video, and from now on, your workflow with the BeBuilder will be even more pleasant. If you like this video, I encourage you to watch another video where I explain one of the most powerful Betheme features, templates. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.bethemegroup.com.